Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and do all of the right things. My hands are shaking here, I can't keep still. Today I'm making roasted butternut. So I'm going to poke holes into the butternut and I'm going to put it into the microwave for 10 minutes. I used a knife. I got trigger happy with the knife, if that's even a thing. And yeah, I'm going to put it into the microwave just like this. The holes is going to help the butternut breathe, and then I'll show you what the next step is when I take it out of the microwave. I took the butternut out of the microwave. I'm just cutting the ends. So the butternut is nice and soft already. So delicious. Look at all that sweetness. And then I'll cut it into rings. I'll take out the pips on that one. If there are any over here, just be sure to check. And then I'll be back with the next step. So guys, over here I have a baking tray. I'm going to line it with baking paper and I'm going to spray the cook and bake on top of the baking paper. I have baking spray on the baking paper. And I'm basically just going to place the butternut on here, like that. And then I'm going to spray it some more. So I've just sprayed it now. The reason why I spray it first is because we're going to put a lot of cute things on top of there, and if you're going to spray it last, everything is just going to come off. So Aromat I'm adding just a little bit, not too much. You can add salt. And then I'm going to drizzle olive oil over each butternut. Just so it has a olive oil taste in it. If you don't have olive oil, that's okay. You don't have to put any oil on top of it at all. And then I'm going to add some mixed herbs on top of it. You can turn your butternut on its side where the peel is. That's not a problem. Chili flakes, of course, definitely, it's a must. And this is something vegetarians and vegans can have. It's delicious, it really is delicious. It's got a sweet and strong taste to it. After all of this, guys, I'm also adding black seeds, but just for effects, just so that it can look pretty. And my oven is preheating on 180 degrees. And then I'll just pop it into the oven.